Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're going to take a look at the OHTO Raise ballpoint pen. And as often happens when you get things from Amazon that are sort of originally loose package, like loose, you get them packaged by Amazon. So well, let's open this thing up and take a look. When I saw this, I was really curious because I was hoping that it might be a Parker compatible pen, and it looks kind of cool. Alright, so let's see. So, sort of a neat looking pen. I like the yellow. I know this might seem sort of weird, but the yellow matches the Swiss Army knife. It's pretty close to being a good match, isn't it? I don't know, I like that. Huh. That might be a cool, like, pen and knife set. Something to think about. Anyway. Oh, by the way, this is a Victorinox Spartan. And it has the plus scales on it, because the scales it had were kind of beat up, and I rescaled it, and I put the plus scales on it. Anyway, doesn't matter. So let's try this thing out. Okay, it's got one of those little nubby things on the tip. So we'll denub it. We'll denub it. So this is the OHTO. And this is the Raise point pen. Writes pretty good. Not bad. Feels relatively solid. It's at least as solid as Parker Jotter. Let's see. Am I not supposed to do this? Okay. It's definitely all plastic. And this might be a jotter refill. Yep. We have a winner. So let's test out, make sure. So one thing, I mean, it's okay, I guess, because you got to figure that, I mean, the jotters have the plastic threads too, with a Parker compatible refill. Okay, that's not bad. So that's kind of cool. I don't know. It's not bad. I'll include a link in the description if you want to check it out. It was about $10. And it's always nice to find another Parker Jotter compatible pen. And in a cool yellow color. Have to look around to see what else has this matching color of yellow. Maybe I can cook up a neat, like, match set of Swiss Army knife, pen, and something else. Maybe a flashlight. Y'all have any flashlights that are this yellow color? Anyway, if you do, let me know in the comments. So it's not bad. It's not a bad pen. And $10 isn't, you know, completely out of the price range, because jotters, depending upon how you get them, they run like 5 to 10, maybe a little more than 10 sometimes. So it's not bad. This part's plastic, but again, not bad. Anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I hope y'all have an excellent day.